Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Just a quick update. I'm sanding the dash, taking off the imperfection, and I'm gonna have to fix this because my countdown is a little bit smaller and this is too wide for my countdown, so I'm gonna have to fix that. I sand it all down. I'm gonna have to put a little bit of Bondo over here because there's a little bit of a low spot, but nothing major. And I have to put a little bit of Bondo body filler here. And I painted the underside of my hood today. I gave it two coat. Looking good. Not too bad at all. So yep, I'm happy with it. So yep, just a little update on what I'm doing for now. So sanding the dash, taking off the imperfection. Count-on fits, not the count-on, but the bezel fit really good in it, so that's not too bad at all. And after that, I'm gonna have to trim and try to put my electronics, my boards in it to see how it fits. So yeah, that's it. Kitt is all dirty, all full of sand dust. That sucks, but hey. So okay, talk to you later, guys. Bye.